Hey, nutrition navigators! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of nature and how they can boost our health. Ready to unlock your healthiest self? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of mushrooms. These incredible fungi have the potential to supercharge your immune system and improve your overall well-being. We'll uncover the science behind their benefits, exploring how compounds in mushrooms can enhance your body's natural defenses. Plus, we'll share practical tips on how to easily incorporate these nutritional powerhouses into your daily routine. Smash that thumbs up button to help spread this vital info. Your support helps us bring more health-boosting content to you. Now let's embark on this journey together and explore the amazing world of mushrooms. Get ready to be amazed by what these natural wonders can do for you. Our modern lifestyle isn't kind to our immune systems. The constant hustle and bustle, pollution and stress take a toll on our health, leaving us vulnerable to illnesses. But there's a natural secret weapon: mushrooms, nutritional powerhouses with a long history of medicinal use. These fungi are not just culinary delights, but also potent healers. Ancient cultures revered them for their healing properties, and modern science is catching up. From traditional Chinese medicine to indigenous practices worldwide, mushrooms have been a cornerstone of health. From reishi to lion's mane, these fungi offer compounds that boost our defenses. Reishi is known for its immune-modulating effects, while lion's mane supports cognitive function and nerve health. Ready to equip yourself with the ultimate immune-boosting weapon? Let's dive in. Discover how incorporating these powerful mushrooms into your diet can transform your health and well-being. Join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of nature's hidden treasures. What makes mushrooms potent immune boosters? They're packed with essential nutrients. They contain beta-glucans, which act like superchargers for our immune systems. Beta-glucans rally white blood cells to fight invaders. Mushrooms are also rich in antioxidants, combating oxidative stress and inflammation. They're not just tasty, they're tiny warriors fortifying your body from the inside out. There are over 140,000 species of mushrooms, each with unique benefits. Reishi, the mushroom of immortality, promotes longevity and vitality. Chaga, the king of medicinal mushrooms, is packed with antioxidants. Lion's mane enhances cognitive function and boosts immune activity. Cordyceps, the caterpillar fungus, enhances energy and immune function. These superstar varieties are readily available and extensively studied. How do mushrooms work their magic? Beta-glucans bind to immune cell receptors, increasing their activity. They activate natural killer cells, your body's elite special forces. Antioxidants in mushrooms combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Mushrooms enhance your body's natural defenses on multiple levels. They boost immune cell production, activate specialized cells, and create a balanced internal environment. Mushrooms are a true superpower for boosting your immune system. These fascinating fungi have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their health benefits. They are packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and compounds that can help enhance your body's natural defenses. Add a variety of mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and reishi to your diet. These mushrooms are known for their immune-boosting properties and can be easily incorporated into your meals or oyster to your diet. They can be sautéed, added to soups, or even used in teas. Consider mushroom supplements for a concentrated dose of benefits. These supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and extracts, making it convenient to get your daily dose. Forage for wild mushrooms with an expert's guidance. This not only ensures safety, but also allows you to learn more about the different types of mushrooms and their unique benefits. Remember, mushrooms are not a magic cure-all. More research is needed to fully understand their potential. However, incorporating them into a balanced diet can certainly contribute to overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to stay healthy and boost your immune system naturally. Stay healthy, my friends. Remember to explore the wonderful world of mushrooms and unlock their potential for your immune system. Until next time, this is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.